Hello friends, this is Dr. Vil Kumar Shilu and I sincerely welcome all you people in my channel named Viral Shilu. In the last video of the series on soft skill, today I'm just going to share the different ways or different strategies which could be used by any one of us to add soft skill in our personality. But let me just make a very clear-cut confession before I begin that adding a soft skill in your personality or having a new soft skill in your personality is a very long-term process. This is something which cannot be done overnight. This is not done instantaneously. But if we are very much committed, if we are very much, sincere learning the new soft skill over a period of time, it would certainly be a part of our personality without any doubts. The first strategy I would just like to start with is having a learning mindset. Now this is really very important. Every time you will be coming across something new which might not be known to you or which you might not have come across previously, the best thing is to set your mind in such a way that you would feel learning about the whole concept or the whole situation or even any matter which is emerging in front of you. So the first thing is to have a learning mindset. Try to learn everything. Try to learn anything which is coming in front of you. Being a teacher, I must admit in front of all my students that a best teacher is one who could consider himself as a learner, as a student. So you should try to develop such mindset where you will be learning a lot of new things, or you can set a target for every day that like today I'm just going to learn 3 new things, or in a single day I'm just going to learn 5 new things. If you would be developing such learning attitude, if you would be developing such learning mindset, I'm sure you must be learning new soft skill even in a short period of time. One of the another important mantras which most professional trainers have been chanting for a long period of time, and that is to have this best strategy, and it is known as practice, practice and practice. If you practice something over a period of time, if you practice some new soft skill for a long duration of time, it must be a part of your personality. I'll start one very simple example. During our school days, haven't we learned a particular mathematical sum which we found very difficult, very complex at a very first glance? But once we practice that sum for once, twice, thrice or for more times, in that case, such sum become quite very much easy for all of us. In the same way, if you like to add soft skill in our personality, we need to have a regular practice. We need to practice those soft skills very much consistently over a period of time, and that would certainly become a part of our personality. One of the another ways through which we'll be able to add soft skill in our personality is to have a sharp observation and incorporation of such soft skill in our personality. We might be coming across number of people in our daily lives, and some people are naturally gifted with some set of soft skills. So we need to observe those people very much sharply. We need to take a note the way in which they are, say for example, in case of communication skill, how they are speaking, how they are framing the sentences, what is the logical connection between one sentence and another sentence. Likewise, any soft skill we need to observe very much sharply. Try to think over such soft skills, and we can incorporate, we can administer such soft skill in our personality. So the strategies goes like this: have a sharp observation and have an incorporation of such soft skills in our personality. Setting measurement goals or milestone may also be considered as one of the another important strategies through which we'll be able to add soft skill in our personality. As I said earlier, you need to set a goal that you will be learning new 2 things or 3 things in a single day or 5 things in a single week. You can have a goal for a week, for a month, for 6 months or even for a year. You need to be very much committed while setting the goals, and try to set a very realistic goals. Don't go for setting such goals which would never be attained by any one of us. So try to be realistic, have attainable goals, and in this matter you should never be afraid of receiving any constructive criticism by your friends, by your colleagues or by your peers. try to just focus on the areas where exactly you would just like to improve your personality. Keep thinking about those things, keep learning new things in this area, try to achieve those goals, and I'm sure over a period of time you must be just able to add that new soft skill which you once dreamed to be a part of your personality. One of the another strategies through which you'll be just able to add soft skill in your personality is to find suitable resources which will just help you to learn. We all have been just living in the age of 21st century where the resources are really unlimited. Particularly I'm just speaking in context of technology, e-learning. You may just go for some online courses, you may be just following some postcard, you may be just learning something in form of ebooks. So resources are just available in a very huge quantity. The only thing is to just tap those resources, try to understand, try to learn something new using such resources, and I'm sure that it must be just making the whole process of adding this new soft skill as a part of your personality quite easier and of course enjoyable. Encouraging self-reflection may also be just regarded as one of the best strategies through which we'll be just able to add soft skill in our personality. Now what is has to be done under this self-reflection? You need to just have a introspective journey. You need to just quantify what you were before 1 month and what you are at this point of time. Have you really just added something in your personality in last 1 month or maybe in last 2 months? Try to just measure these things, try to just quantify these things. If you haven't done anything yet, then try to just use a suitable ways through which you'll be just able to add something in your personality. So just go through this journey of self-reflection, go through the journey of this self introspection through which you'll be just able to add something new in your personality. And the last strategy, which is certainly of not less importance, and that is to just receive a feedback from your friends, colleagues or peers. You can just ask your friends and colleagues that have they really been just noticing any sort of changes in terms of improving your own soft skill, whether there is any remarkable or noticeable change, particularly in the area where exactly you have been just working for last 2-3 months. If they say yes, it means that the results are really something you can just rejoice for. And if they say that no, there hasn't been any noticeable changes, in that case you need to just work more sincerely, you need to just put in hardest of your efforts in the same direction, and I'm sure in the time to come it would certainly be found very much remarkable or very much spectacular. So here you may just ask your friends, try to just seek their opinion, try to just have their views, particularly about the soft skill which exactly you have been just working on, and constructively you can just have this approach to just add this soft skill in your personality. I humbly believe you might have just found the whole series of the video on soft skill very much useful to you. So wishing you all a very happy learning, and maybe in next few months I'll be just finding you people bubbling with a lot of new soft skill which are really essential, which are really very, very important to make your personality shine like a star. Thank you very much.